Assalamu Alaikum, I'm Aisha from London. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the Maghzubi channel, the Raza Maghzubi channel that I accidentally found last year in December. So I have been associated with that channel since and hazri as well since December last year. I have been on a spiritual journey from the last couple of years, and I wanted to find that missing link between me and my prayers and that spiritual height that I was completely not feeling, like that disconnection that I felt with God when I was making my prayers and everything. So I have been on a journey for the last couple of years. Like I've been praying on and off, but I wanted to take this a little bit seriously, and then I wanted to make it really special for me when I stand on that mat in my prayers. I wanted to feel that connection with God on one-to-one basis and stuff. So I had been with other channels, like I have contacted lots of other channels that claim that they knew what they were doing and stuff. So in that journey, I contacted a lot of people. I paid a lot of money, and a lot of them did teach me good things. I'm not going to totally discredit them, and I can name channels if you need me to, but I don't want to name and shame people. But they were all spiritually able to do that. But I think I think they kind of guided me in the right direction. They guided me in the right direction, but they couldn't kind of hold me in that direction. They couldn't carry on. So after a certain while, they would kind of give up, or they would move on to other people. So I was just like a project to them. So you have 2 months duration, you do your thing, and you move on. So that wasn't working for me, because you get to a certain point and you think that you're getting there, and then that teacher kind of leaves because he's got other students or other priorities, and then he leaves you in between. And then that wasn't kind of working for me. So I stumbled, mind you, I did learn a lot of good things from them as well. So last year December, I came across Maghzubi channel, and the way he spoke about his about the religion, and the way he spoke about what he does and how he does it, and how it totally connected with me, I really liked the way he did that. So I thought I was going to give it a try as well, because I needed to know what was the blockage, because I was doing everything right. I was doing prayers, I was doing the Quran, I was doing the Roza, I was doing everything that you need to do. And even certain, they tell you to read for certain days, certain ayats and everything. So I was doing all of that as well, with all the shariats and everything. But I wasn't feeling that connection. I was just not feeling that I'm getting anywhere. So I contacted him and said, can you please tell me that I've been praying and I've done so many big wazaifs and everything, and I'm not feeling anything. So he then told me what the blockage was, because I came to a block and nothing was moving forward. So he said to me that you need to unblock these things first before you can move in your spiritual journey. And then so I took a course with him as well, not a massive course, but one of the things that he specializes in, and that's the being able to heal other people with sihr and jadu and affliction and stuff. So I took that course with him, and he guided me really, really well. He was very patient with me, I must say, because I have 10 million questions, and he was very patient. And so I did my prayers that he told me to do, and he unblocked me within I think we had this consultation over the phone and on video call, and he did this thumb on me that he really specializes in with too as well. He told me what was the problem with me and why everything I was reading was not leading me anywhere. So he unblocked that within a few minutes. I'm not joking. I felt a massive weight taken off me. So that was like a wake up moment for me. Really, that's all it took. And none of my other teachers were able to detect that in me. No one were able to know why I had the blockages, or even if I had a blockage in the first place. So moving forward, after I had done the course I was doing with him, we finished doing that, and then he basically the powers that come with a course that you do, he was able to not transfer, but able to help me gain it in a better way. And I have been able to, alhamdulillah, heal a lot of people with that knowledge as well. He specializes in Surah Rahman, this ayat of Surah Rahman and stuff, and he goes on about it. Quite a few videos he's made on his channel. I was really interested in that, because I thought, why not? Every other person that you come across is afflicted by jinns and sihr and jadu and stuff. So I thought this is a really good thing to learn, and you can heal a lot of people and stuff. So it wasn't because I wanted to be famous or anything, but just to be able to help people. So he guided me really, really well, and he obviously showed me all the ropes, and I was able to cure a lot of people, alhamdulillah, with the will of Allah. Allah gives them shifa, not me, not him. So we were able to do with his instructions and directions and his help. I was able to help many people, and I'm going to continue to do so, inshallah. And I must say, with the other channels, I mean, he takes fees. I'm not going to say it's totally free, but it's not like, you know, something that you're going to have to lose that's going to break your arm or leg or anything over it, or anything. You're going to, it's bearable. You can do the thing, but it's totally worth it. That's what I'm going to say, that the fees that he charges is rightly due, because he does teach you what he says, he does what he says, and you gain the knowledge that you're after. And he doesn't just leave you in the midst of it and says, you know, well, I've got other students and I've got to move on now. I've given you the time that you paid for. So it's not like, you know, you pay him once and he will give you just what you need, and then we will never hear from him again.